Door, and now I've come across a little challenging part here that we're going to have to work out together. So, and that is, let's reinstall the housing for your door handle. Now this goes on the inside of your door, which means it's going on the top. This is our inside here, the face that's facing up. So we got to get this on here and get the mesh and the spleen around it. Looks like it's kind of challenging, but I got a trick for you. This is the only part that you're going to trim right now. We're going to trim the rest of the excess mesh. But right now, I'm going to trim a little piece here so we can get around this. Let me show you how to do it. Let's just fold your screen here underneath the handle clip and sort of mark it with your, you can eyeball it, just eyeball it. Grab yourself a little piece here and be careful because you don't want to go down and cut the other side of this. Just a little cut there and up, okay? And let's do the same thing on this side, right about here. Don't try this at home, kids. You'll cut your fingers. I'm just kidding. Okay, here we go. Boom. Now, there's our piece. And let's just finish it like this, right across. Alrighty? And we're going to fold this underneath and get our rolling tool and continue on, and let's see how tight we can get this. Okay, right up to there. All right, that's a little loose. Let's pull it out. So all you got to do, if it's a little loose, pull it out and redo it. This stuff is very flexible. And if you didn't leave yourself enough here, see now I'm pulling and I didn't cut enough, so I'm going to cut a little more material. Let's measure it. This might even be better. Let's just cut it right up here, just like this. Okay, let's try it again. Here we go. Pull it and roll it. There. Let's get this underneath. Now you're probably going to want to use your screwdriver to get these little bits in here. There we go. Pull it a little bit and push. Slide this up a little. There we go. Get under it and push it in. There. Okay, that works.